chasing dreams, highway hums, coffee beans, morning brew blues, the fuel I choose, hot and black, it lights my fuse. Sip it slow, let the warmth diffuse. Morning brew blues, it's my only muse. Dust on my boots, engine growls, wake me up, the rooster howls, lines at the counter, faces warm, with that first sip, I'm reborn. A ritual, a lifeline, and dark gold on my shrine. Morning brew blues, the fuel I choose, hot and black, it lights my fuse. Sip it slow, let the warmth diffuse. Morning brew blues, it's my only muse. Paper cut in a calloused hand, a bitter love I understand. Liquid sunrise keeps me sane. It's a rush, it's a chain.